Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done a 2014 Range Rover Evoque with a HALO Mini. Customer's super paranoid about this key. So we fitted this system. So how the system works, as soon as the customer leaves the vehicle, if you watch carefully, full beams flashed, system is armed. So if I try and start it, you'll see that the vehicle just won't start. It just won't start, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, let's just reset the system. So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, insert the code which we're going to change, tap, 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 tap. Last press, you actually saw the full beam flash. Ignition on, start the vehicle. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wants to place it in valet mode, as long as the system is disarmed, the way they would do that is without starting the vehicle, main ignition on, insert the code, and on the last press, hold the last button. So if I don't know if you can see from this, we're going to go tap, 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 tap. Or maybe we didn't do it. Let's do it again. So ignition off, ignition on. Got to get the timing right. So tap, 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 hold. If you watch carefully, shortly within 15 seconds, you'll see we'll get 5 flashes. Watch carefully. There you go, 5 flashes. That means the system is now in valet mode. So if I turn off the ignition, open and close the door, you see the system didn't arm. So if I now jump in, start the vehicle start, no problem at all. Okay. If I want to take it out of valet mode, just main ignition on without the vehicle running once again. Insert the code and just hold it on the last press. Keep holding. Notice we're going to get shortly, in about 15 seconds, we're going to get the full beam flashing again to show us it's come out of valet mode. Okay, just keep on watching carefully. There you go, just come out of valet mode. So when I turn off the ignition, open and close the door, system armed once again. If I try and start it, it just won't start. Okay, so basically let's just open and close the door, let the system reset. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change the code. So let's just disarm it first. So we've disarmed it. Let's power up the ignition. Ignition on. Now this time we're going to tap the accelerator 10 times to go into learn mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, we're in learn mode. So I'm going to do something very basic. So I'm going to go tap, 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 tap. Ignition off within 5 seconds. There we go, we've got 1 flash. System has now been learned. Let's just open the door. Let's just do the code now and let's try again. So I don't know if you can see from there. Tap, 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 tap. There you go, we've got the flash. New code has been learned. Let's power up the ignition. Okay, and start the vehicle. As I said, this is the HALO Mini fitted to a 2014 Range Rover Evoque. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.